So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy physical gold here on Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass. Now at the top where it says search, I just want you to go ahead and type in gold right here. So under commodities right here, physically backed gold, go ahead and press on that. Now once you're on this page right here, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on buy, but before you do that, you have to select what account you want to buy physical gold in. So if I were to go to select an account here, I can use my FHSA, my TFSA, or my non-registered. So for this demonstration, I will just use my non-registered account, and then I'll go to the bottom right and press on buy. Now on this page right here, you can go ahead and select how much money you want to invest in physical gold, or the opposite, how many ounces of gold you want to buy. So for example, if I were to go to the price here and just type in $10 Canadian is this many ounces of gold. You can go ahead and swap this around as well. So if you wanted to type in a specific amount, so we'll just go ahead here and go 1 ounce right here. That's about $5,000 Canadian. So let's go to the other way right here. I'll just go ahead and do $10 as an example and then press on review. Now once you're on this page right here, you can review the transaction. So you can see the commodity that you're purchasing. In this case, it is gold, which of course is a market buy. You can see the fee, you can see the amount, and if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on submit, and then you can purchase your share of physical gold this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy physical gold here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.